अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुरेव परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव सर्वं मम देवदेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देवदेव। We are seeing verse number 7. Let us read it together. Chaitanya Shashvata Shanto Vyomatito Niranjanaha Bindunadakalatiitaha Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Here in this verse, we have the description of the Guru as the ultimate, highest reality. Chaitanya. It is whose Guru? Guru is that pure, ultimate consciousness. Chaitanya. And therefore, Shashvataha. Shashvataha means untouched by time. Past, present, future, the various phases of time does not have any kind of impact. It remains as it is. Timeless. Shashvataha. Shantaha. Shantaha. There where Maya and its effects have ceased. Shantaha. Shanta, where there is no disturbance. Where there is no disturbance, we say it is peace. Is it not? It's peace. What is it that which seems to be bringing out that consciousness into various ways? That which does that is Maya and Maya Karya. Maya Karya, the effects of Maya, which is called the world. Maya, that which makes consciousness manifest as the world. Maya is a Vedantic term which is fully loaded with many meanings, with Vedantic, inputs that we'll have to see in the Vedanta class. Okay? You can translate Maya as magic. These kind of words can be used, but it is not just that. It has got a very deep significance. That we shall see in the morning classes, evening classes we will see. But now at this point of time, we just say that which is free of Maya and Maya Karya. Maya Karya, I said, is the world, Jagat. Maya, that which makes that consciousness manifest as Jagat. This much for the moment. That it is free of Maya and Maya Karya is explained in the next two words. Vyomatitaha. Vyoma is the first, Vyoma or Akasha is the first effect coming from that consciousness due to the impact of Maya, let us say. Consciousness with Maya. What comes first is Akasha, the subtlest of all elements. So, when you say it is beyond space, it is untouched by space, that means what? From space comes air, it's untouched by air. From air comes fire, it's untouched by fire. From fire comes water. I'm sure you all will wonder how from fire comes water. And that we will be studying. This is a very deep verse. So from fire comes water, it is beyond fire, it is beyond water. From water comes earth, it is beyond earth. So Vyomatitaha is also Vayu Atitaha, Vayuvatitaha. It is also Agnyatitaha. It is also Prithvi Atitaha. Like that. So Vyomatita is one word telling you a gamut of all creations, it is beyond. So this is Maya Karya Atita. Then Niranjanaha. Niranjana is what? Is untouched, pure, unsullied. So that is to say, it is unsullied by Maya. This much we have seen. Now comes Bindu Nada Kala Atitaha. Vyomatitaha. Bindu Nada Kala Atitaha. Vyomatitaha Niranjanaha. That is the explanation for Shantaha. Now this Vyomatitaha Niranjanaha is further explained by Bindu Nada Kala Atitaha. Each one adds to more clarity. Bindu Nada Kala Atitaha. Bindu is a point. Bindu is a point. Nada is sound. Kala is manifestation. Kala is also phases. Phases, not F-A-C-E-S, P-H-A-S-E-S, phases. Phases. And we know Kala is also art. Okay? We know these words. But Swamiji, what is this Bindu Nada Kala Atitaha? What does it mean? Yes, that requires some thought. Bindu. Bindu we said is a point. Can you describe a point? Point is there, but can you describe? Can you describe? What is the problem? If you say what is the problem, that means I'll tell you go and study 5th standard mathematics. A point is sizeless, dimensionless. You remember? I don't remember. It's okay. It's dimensionless. You can't measure a point, even though it is. It is, but you can't measure. So what is this? It is and you can't measure. Immediately our mind will go to what? Pure consciousness. Don't jump to that, because it is said atitaha, beyond that. The word atita means beyond. You cannot say consciousness is beyond consciousness. It is already spoken of as consciousness. So what is it? Bindu. Okay. So we can look at the world from the standpoint of sound. And we can also look at the world from the standpoint of form. We say the world of names and forms. Some of you who have heard Vedanta will say, yes, world of names and forms. We have heard. Nama Rupa Prapancha. Yeah, we have heard this term. Nama Rupa Prapancha. The Prapancha can be seen from the standpoint of Nama. And the Prapancha can also be seen from the standpoint of Rupa. And the Prapancha can also be seen from the standpoint of art. So, I have to explain each one of them. So, I will try to explain because it's too early to get everything fully, but I'm sure you will get something. And then more and more you study, then more and more it will become clear. So first, from the standpoint of nama. So I have to explain to you from the standpoint of nama. Nama means name. From the standpoint of name. Swamiji, first of all you tell how world is name and form. Every object that we see has got a form, correct? And every object has got a name. Not that it has a name, we give a name. And then we say it has a name. Right? Form, name. You will get bored if I show this again and again. So many things. So what is this? Flask. This is what name. What you are saying is name. But what is this? Form. Object, form. It has got form, it has got shape. So, we say the world is name and form. That is the expression. The world of names and forms. So, first of all, you have understood why the world is called name and form. Correct? Now we go to the next step. So, first from the standpoint of nama. Bindu, I said. Bindu is a point. It's an indescribable state. It is anirvachaniya. Anirvachaniya. You can't explain. Inexplainable. The point is dimensionless, formless, it is colorless. It is what? What else it is? It has no length, it has no breadth, it has no height, all those things. That which is free of all kinds of these kind of descriptions is a point. Yes, yes. In that manner, let us say, for example, I will tell you, in deep sleep, what is the color of deep sleep? Don't say black. To see black, you need eyes. Black. What is the height of deep sleep? What is the breadth of deep sleep? Long, Swamiji, that's the breadth of deep sleep. In deep sleep, you don't see, you don't experience anything. But all you can say is, you had a good sleep. Nobody can deny that. Nobody can deny a point, but nobody can describe it. It is only a point which finally becomes a line. Bindu becomes a rekha. How does Bindu become rekha? When you extend the Bindu, it becomes a rekha. Rekha is line. Or when you put point, it becomes a rekha. But you can't explain what is a point. How beautiful. Maya. And every shape that you put is actually a line only. No, Swamiji, I am putting circle. Yes, line only with circle. Not that line is circle, point is a circle. And what is a point? How beautiful it is. This Bindu is a name given for this Karana Avastha. In deep sleep, we are in our Karana Avastha. You must have heard causal body, correct? Have you heard causal body anywhere? Where did we hear causal body? Sadhana Panchagam it came. Gross body, subtle body, causal body. Yes, we studied, yes. That word had come. It will come more in Tattva Bodha, it will come. It will be called Karana Sharira and all. In deep sleep, we are with this Karana Sharira. And that is why, explain your deep sleep. But sometimes we use expression, I slept like a log. That is to say, you did not feel any sentience. That's what you want to say. That's all. But deep sleep is really speaking indescribable. Very, very, very. That is a Karana Avastha. That's Bindu. Bindu is also everything has come to one. That's Bindu. Bindu is focus. Bindu is a point of focus. And everything has come to one. Indescribable unit. That is called Bindu. Okay? Remember, I'm explaining the world in terms of name, namah. Okay? And from that, now what do we see? We see the world of names. Each one of you have a name. If I have to then they have also all your names put together in attendance. And every day they share with me who's present, who's not absent, why they are present, why absent. All kinds of information comes to me. First thing in the morning, all this. I'm bombarded with all information of all names. Each one of you comes. That is the world here in front of me. And all your names, whatever name, each one has a name, different name, right? They are all finally only one name, not even a name, they are all only sound. Nada. Nada is sound. And those sounds only are all these various. Kala is variety, manifestation. Various names. Nada means sound. Sound is not a name, just sound. But what about names? Names are the manifestation of sounds, kala. This is temple. Temple. Look at the word, temple. And in temple, we have dari, mattress. That is also sound. There is fan, sound. Table, sound. If I have to ask you to tell me what are all in the world, you will say, what are all in the temple? You will say, Swamiji, first there is temple, then there are light, there is fan. You will tell all names. Kala. Finally, they are all what only? Nada. And where is all these things when you are in deep sleep? Bindu. Bindu Nada Kala. Now we are talking of individual from the total standpoint. We are talking of individual to understand our sleep and all. From the total standpoint, the whole Karana Avastha of the cosmos, Bindu. Then from that comes the first sound. They say the first sound is Omkara, Nada. And every other name is included in Omkara. Kala. Are you able to see? This is a description of the world in terms of Nada, Bindu, Kala from the standpoint of Nama. Nama Prapancha, the world of names. Now I have to now tell Nada, Bindu, Nada, Kala from the standpoint of form. Is it not? That I have to do it tomorrow. Today is over. Tomorrow, Bindu Nada Kala. From the standpoint of Rupa. Nama Prapancha, Rupa Prapancha. Okay? Swasti prajabhyah paripalayantam nyayena margena mahim mahishah go brahmanebhyah shubhamastu nityam loka samasta sukhino bhavantu kale varshatu parjanyah prativi sasya shalini desho yam kshobarahitah Brahmana santu nirbhaya Om sarvesham swastir bhavatu sarvesham shantir bhavatu sarvesham purnam bhavatu sarvesham mangalam bhavatu sarve bhavantu sukhinah sarve santu niramayah Sarve bhadrani pashyantu ma kasyid dukkha bhag bhavet asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityor ma amrutangamaya Om purnamada purnamidam purnat purnam mudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Hara Hara Namah Parvati Pataye Sarvatra Govinda Nama Sankirtanam Govinda Govinda Shri Sadgurunath Maharaj Ki Jai